Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Xumo Stream Box in 2026, both with the remote and without it. So if your box is frozen, not loading the application, or stuck on the logo screen, not running properly or running slow, a quick reset is going to fix all of these problems very easily. So first of all, let's reset the Xumo Stream Box using the remote. So as you can see, it is the remote control of Xumo. So here, first of all, you need to press the home button. Now, after pressing the home button on your remote, simply go to the settings. Now, in your settings, you need to look for the option of device performances or system. In that, you are going to see the reset option. So after clicking on the reset option, simply just confirm the reset and wait for a while the box restarts. This is going to clear the glitches and also refreshes the system. Now, if you don't have the remote, here is the manual reset. So first of all, you need to unplug the power cable from the Xumo Stream Box. After that, you need to press and hold the physical reset button on the device. Most probably, you are going to find it at the back of the Xumo body. So there, you just have to look for the physical reset button. After holding it for a while, simply plug the power button back in. You can keep it holding for about 10 to 15 seconds, basically until the light flashes or the box restarts. Then simply release the button. The Xumo Stream Box will reset automatically. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.